Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 11. Personal pronouns. Let's learn English. Words to learn. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. We use he when talking about a boy. We use she when talking about a girl. We use it when talking about a thing. We use you when talking about one or two persons. We use they when talking about two or more persons, animals or things. This is Bert. He is active. This is Matthew. He is slim. This is a ball. It is huge. This is Betty. She is pretty. These are my friends. They are kind. Words to learn. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. Practice speaking English. Say it. Repeat it.
James is a great singer.
He is a great singer.
Macy is a kind neighbor.
She is a kind neighbor.
The box is empty.
It is empty.
Betty, Martin, Bert and I are best friends.
We are best friends.
Mom and Dad are eating dinner.
They are eating dinner. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Go get your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Righty.
Shade the circle of the correct answer.
Number 1. Is the most beautiful girl in our class.
Number 2. Are singing Merry Christmas happily.
Number 3. Is an active student in our school.
Number 4. Is the tallest mountain in the world.
Number 5. Is the smartest kid in the group.
Number 6. Cried because the dog ran after her.
Number 7. Is the funniest joke I ever heard.
Number 8. Are talking nonsense.
Number 9. Are the 10th person I met today.
Number 10. Is the white horse I saw yesterday.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. She is the most beautiful girl in our class.
Number 2. They are singing Merry Christmas happily.
Number 3. He is an active student in our school.
Number 4. It is the tallest mountain in the world.
Number 5. He is the smartest kid in the group.
Number 6. She cried because the dog ran after her.
Number 7. It is the funniest joke I ever heard.
Number 8. They are talking nonsense. Number 9. You are the 10th person I met today.
Number 10. It is the white horse I saw yesterday. Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Change the underlined words with the correct personal pronouns. Write your answer in the space provided.
Number 1. This ball is big. Number 1. It is big.
Number 2. This rose is white. Number 2. This rose is white. It is white.
Number 3. My grandfather is a farmer. Number 3. My grandfather is a farmer. He is a farmer. Number 4. My sister is 20 years old. Number 4. My sister is 20 years old. She is 20 years old.
Number 5. Brownie is the name of my dog. Number 5. Brownie is the name of my dog. It is the name of my dog.
Number 6. The children are singing a Christmas song. Number 6. The children are singing a Christmas song. They are singing a Christmas song.
Number 7. Josh and Ned are very good students in school. Number 7. Josh and Ned are very good students in school. They are very good students in school.
Number 8. The cat is running after the mouse. Number 8. The cat is running after the mouse. It is running after the mouse.
9. Diane cooked breakfast for her family. Nine. Diane cooked breakfast for her family. She cooked breakfast for her family.
Number 10. The house needs a new coat of paint. Number 10. The house needs a new coat of paint. It needs a new coat of paint.
Number 11. The boy played games after eating his breakfast. Number 11. The boy played games after eating his breakfast. He played games after eating his breakfast.
Number 12. The girl is listening to music while eating. Number 12. The girl is listening to music while eating. She is listening to music while eating.
13. The dog is barking so loud that my ears hurt. The dog is barking so loud that my ears hurt. It is barking so loud that my ears hurt.
Number 14. Carlo played hide and seek with Francis and Paolo. Number 14. Carlo played hide and seek with Francis and Paolo. He played hide and seek with Francis and Paolo.
Number 15. I know Brian, Joshua, and Daniel are excited to go to Disneyland. Number 15. I know Brian, Joshua, and Daniel are excited to go to Disneyland. I know they are excited to go to Disneyland.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.